Now, the product itself will be supplied flat packed, very simple to build. So each extrusion will connect together with a corner bracket. We have edge lit LEDs, which are at the top and the base of the frame, which are simply just plug and play. And then we obviously add our feet if it's freestanding or fixed to the wall. It's going to be a wall-mounted solution. And the graphic is a UV print, so you get great vibrancy. And this just has an SEG channel, which just pushes simply into the channel. So fantastic addition for any retail situation, showroom, reception area, anywhere we're going to bring a image to life to create great vibrancy and draw attention to the product or the brand that you are promoting.